my name is Robin and I want to walk you through what we love about this Marbleworks Marble Run set. We got this in 2015 and my friend, she bought it for us and she said, everything else is garbage, Marbleworks is the best. And I tend to agree with her. This has been with us through our 4 sons playing heavily with it. I've just made a simple track here with just a selection of some of our favorite pieces. All right, I've loaded this with 6 marbles. It definitely works better with slightly smaller marbles, so you want to think about that. But again, it's not hard to find slightly smaller marbles. And let's see if I can keep up with this. I probably won't be able to, but let's see if I can. My kids, when they're racing them, they give each marble a name and they're like, come on, Mustard, come on. My oldest son loved to make drafts of things. So he would say, rank all of his marbles and do a draft like it's March Madness. So, so cute. These stand pieces, they come apart and go back together so you can make each stand as tall or short as you want it. Such a wonderful way to learn about building, to learn about science. This is an absolute winner. Marbleworks is the best marble run out there, and I totally recommend it. Thanks.